Inmode Morpheus 8 is a single applicator that can be used on many of their base platforms. Essentially, what we're doing is we are protruding insulated needles into the dermis and emitting radiofrequency at the fibroblast where collagen is produced. Phenomenal results can be achieved in lower BMI patients in the abdominal. Essentially, the handpiece or applicator can go anywhere that you can find laxity, whether it be the knees, elbows, etc. What we want to pay attention to is the depth of that needle and how we're delivering that energy when we move into other areas or shallow areas. But it is a multifaceted handpiece that can treat the body head to toe. Morpheus 8 sessions typically bill out at anywhere from $750 to $1,000 per session as a stated national average. That said, I think a more reliable or consistent number to project or model off of would be about $450 a session. I think that it's common that with these types of treatments, you're gonna perform at least 3 sessions, upwards of 6, depending on the indication at hand. So you can account for that or factor that into any forecasting that you may be doing. Morpheus 8, as with many other technologies in the space right now offering tightening or fractional microneedling, does have a tip or a cost of procedure, which runs on average about $150 per session for you as a provider. With the billable at $450, upwards of $750, there is still good margin by which for you to pay for overhead, marketing, and generate a profit. Traditional costs to acquire a Inmode Morpheus 8 can be quite expensive, especially when you start adding on other modalities to the platform. If you wanted to just acquire that technology specifically, you could save some money. And to find out how to do so, don't hesitate to schedule a consultation with one of our experts. I think what's most notable about radiofrequency and the use of the Morpheus 8 is that it is the most socially relevant or known platform out there right now. However, many platforms from great manufacturers that have been in this space for several years are available with similar treatment depths and similar RF output or arc. I think Morpheus 8 makes sense most for those that are in competitive markets, where you've got plastics, derms, and other med spas already offering this service. Higher per capita incomes, more metropolises, where you've got a more educated consumer that's spending the time to do their own research and then shop online before booking a service. You want to populate in their search, and you want to be able to get them in to a consultation so that you can advise on your skin philosophy and get them scheduled. To find out more about how to build the best menu for your demographic, I highly encourage that you schedule a consultation with somebody on our team.